Hello, everybody. How are you doing? Today we'll have some vocabularies, English vocabularies. Try to see them to the end of the video. It will be helpful for all of us. So try to see them to the end of the video. Hello everybody, welcome to Africa Salam Educational Tube or Camboni Tube. Today we are going to see some important vocabularies. Please follow to the end of the video. Vocabulary 1. Lobby. ባርክስ ክቡራት ተኸታተልቲ ሕጂ ሒዛልኩም መጽእ ዘለኹ ኢንግሊሽ ቮካቡላሪ ክንብል ከለና ሓደሽቲ ቃላት ኣብ መዓልታዊ ህይወትና ንጥቀመሎም ሓደሽቲ ቃላት ኢንግሊሽ ዝምልከት እዩ። ስለዚ ክሳዕ መወዳእታ ክትከታተሉ የዕድመኩም። እቲ ቀዳማይ እንሪኦ ሎቢ ድብል እዩ። ናምበር 1 ቮካቡላሪ will be ሎቢ ክትነበብ ክትጽሓፍ ከላ LOBBY ስለዚ ሎቢ ያ ተጻሒፋ ዘላ ከመይ ግን ቀንዲ ኣዳምጻ ከመይ ምዃኑ ከዓ ክንርኢና። ሎቢ እንታይ ማለት እዩ? What does lobby means? Lobby means near the entrance of a public building. ኣብ ኣፍ ደገ ናይ ህዝባዊ ህንጻ መንበሪ ህንጻ ኣብቲ ኣፍ ደገ ወይ ኣብ ታሕቲ ቅድሚ ናብ ሊፍት ምእታውካ ዘሎ ከባቢት ቦታቲ ሎቢ ኢልና ንጽውዖ ማለት እዩ። ኤግዛምፕል ክንርኢና we'll see example for the word of lobby. I am in the lobby ኣነ ኣብ ሎቢ ኣለኹ ኣብቲ ኣፍ ደገ ኣለኹ። ብትግርኛ ደንበ ክንብሎ ንኽእል ኢና ግን ኣብ ኣፍ ደገ ደሎ ማለት እዩ። B. They went into the hotel lobby. ንሳቶም ከይዶም ናብቲ ናይቲ ሆቴል ኣፍ ደገ። We entered the museum lobby. ንሕና ኣቲና ናብቲ ሎቢ ናይ ቤተ መዘክር ሚዚየም ማለት ከም ንፈልጦ ቤተ መዘክር። ስለዚ ሎቢ ኣዳምፁ ተቐንዲ ከመይ እዩ? How is we pronounce it? ሎቢ we pronounce it ላቢ ከነድምጾ ከለና ግን ሎቢ ደይኮንና ንብሎ ላቢ ኢልና ነድምጾ ማለት እዩ። ስለዚ ከነንብብ ከለና we enter the museum lobby ንብል ማለት እዩ። I am in the lobby እንተዳ ኢልና ኣነ ኣብቲ ኣፍ ደገ ኣለኹ። They went into the hotel lobby. We entered the museum lobby. እናበልና ላቢ ማለት ተረዲእና ክኸውን ተስፋ ይገብር። I hope the word lobby is clear for all of us. Let us proceed to the second. Second vocabulary is consider. Consider means to spend time, think about a possibility or making decision. To spend time, think about a possibility ማለት ኮንሲደር ማለት ጊዜ ወሲድካ ብዛዕባ ክኸውን ዘለዎ ወይ ድማ ውሳነ እትወስደሉ ማለት እዩ። ብሕፅር ዝበለ ምግንዛብ ማለት እዩ። Example, don't make any decision before you have considered the situation. ድኾነ decision ኣይትውሰድ፣ ውሳነ ኣይትውሰድ ቅድሚ ነቲ ኩነታት ምግንዛብካ consider the situation. B. I will consider your request. ንጠለብካ ክግንዘቦ ወይ ኣብ ግምት ከእትዎ I will consider your request ማለት ናትካ ጠለብ ደሊኻ የደለኻ። C. We should consider the impact of the new policy. ነዚ ሓድሽ ፖሊሲ ወፂኡ ዘሎ ናቱ ሳዕቤኑ ክንግንዘቦ ይግባአና። Number 3 vocabulary is keen on. To be very interested in or enthusiastic about something or someone ብዛዕባ ዝኾነ ነገር ኣዚኻ ክትግደስ ከለኻ keen on ንብሎ example she is keen on playing football ንሳ ቅንኣት ኣለዋ ወይ ዝምባለ ኣለዋ ኣብ ጾታ ኩዕሶ B I am not keen on cleaning ኣነ ኣብ ጽሬት cleaning ጽሬት ብዙሕ ተገዳስነት ወይ ዝምባለ የብለይን They are keen to start work as soon as possible ንሳቶም ንኽሰርሑ ኣዝዮም ሓንጢዮም ኣለዉ ንብል ኣለና ማለት እዩ ኣዝዮም ተገዲሶም ኣለዉ They are keen to ስለዚ keen on ክብለና ከሎ to be very interested Number 4 vocabulary fond of means to have a liking or affection for something or someone or to enjoy doing something repeatedly fond of ክበሃል ከሎ ድማ ብዛዕባ ሓደ ነገር ብዛዕባኡ ፍትወት ክህልወካ ከሎ ብዛዕባ ንዕኡ ከተስተማቕሮ ወይ ደጋጊምካ ክትገብሮ ደስ ዝብለካ ነገር ማለት እዩ example A I am fond of cats, especially Eritrean cats. ኣነ cats ኣዝዩ የድፈቱ ብፍላይ ድማ ናይ ኤርትራ ደማሙ ብለና ኣሎ She grew quite fond of their neighbor. ንሳ ብዛዕባ ጎረቤታ ኣዝያ በቃ ትፈትዎም እያ ይድብል ደሎ fond of I have always been fond of classical music. كل ساعة classical music ሙዚቃ ደስ ይዝብለን ፍትው የዘብሎ ማራስ ከገለ ምሽ ንብል ከም ማለት fond of Number 5 up to means as far as indicating a maximum amount the duty responsibility or choice of someone up to ማለት ዝለዓለ መጠን ወይ ድማ ክትገብሮ ግቡእኻ ዝኾነ ነገር ሓላፍነትካ ዝኾነ ነገር Example the process is expected to take 2 years The process is expected to take up to 2 years ክሳብ 2 ዓመት ክወስድ ይኽእል ክሳብ ክንድዚ ክሳብ ከምዚ ክንብል ከለና up to ንጥቀም This indicates amount of time I was not up to her standards. أنا ناتا بقعت أيكون كندلخ. I بقعني تبلا لها مالتي. I was not up to her standard. Indicates as good as. كساب كنداس بلوز أيكون كن. What is he been up to? What is he been up to? This indicates how much he is occupied or busy with. ክሳብ ክንደይ ቢዚ ምዃኑ ወይ ትሑዝ ምዃኑ ዝገልጽ እዩ What is he been up to ብምንታይ ተታሒዙ ዘሎ ንሱ ብምንታይ ቢዚ ኮይኑ ደሎ ትብል ኣለኻ ማለት እዩ What is he been up to Number 6 tremendous very great in amount scale or intensity ብመጠን ዓቐን ወይ ድማ ጻቂ ኣዝዩ ብዙሕ ክኾን ከሎ ዓብይ ክኾን ከሎ ገጅፍ ክኾን ከሎ tremendous ዝብል ቃል ንጥቀም Example A. She is under tremendous pressure at work. ኣብ ስርሓ ብዙሕ ጸቕጢ ኣለዋ ንብል ኣለና ንሳ ኣብ ስርሓ ብዙሕ ጸቕጢ ኣለዋ ኣብ ገጅፍ ዝኾነ ጸቕጢ ኣደላ ትብል ኣለኻ B. We are missing out on a tremendous opportunity. ዓብይ ዕድል ንሕና ዓብይ ዕድል ነጥፍእ ኣለና ወይ ንስእን ኣለና C I felt a tremendous pressure on my chest ኣብ ልበይ ዓብይ ዝኾነ ጸቕጢ ጌርለይ ኣሎ ብዙሕ ጸቕጢ ጌርለይ ኣሎ ትብል ኣለኻ ማለት እዩ tremendous Number 7 unfortunately in regrettable, unlucky or unsuitable manner. regrettable ማለት እዩ unfortunately regrettable ወይ ድማ ዕድል ኣይገበርካን ወይ ዘይጥዕም ክኸውን ከሎ ዘይምችእ example unfortunately I can't help you ሕማቅ ዕድል ኮይኑ ክሕግዘካ ይክእል ትብል ኣለኻ ማለት እዩ unfortunately we do not have the time to interview every applicant ዕድል ኣይተገብረን ንነፍስ ወከፍ ኣመልካቲ ቃለ መሕተት ክንገብረሉ ኣይከኣለናን እዩ unfortunately I didn't have my credit card with me or else I would have bought it ኣጋጣሚ ኮይኑ ክሬዲት ካርደይ ኣይምጻኽዋን እምበር ምገዛእኽዎ ነይረ ስለዚ unfortunately መብዛሕቲ ግዜ ንኔጌቲቭ ኢና ንጥቀመሉ Number 8 accustomed to familiar with something ምስ ሓደ ነገር ትፈልጦ ነገር ልሙድ ክትኮን ከለኻ often used ደጋጊምካ ዝተጠቀምካሉ adapted to existing condition ነዘሎ ኩነታት ድለመድካዮ ክትኮን ከለኻ ማለት እዩ example grandma took her accustomed seat at the head of the table አባዬ ኣብታ ልምድቲ ኮፍ መበሊ ኣላ B the young man has been accustomed to handwork እቲ መንእሰይ ወዲ has been accustomed to hard work ንፃዕረኛ ሰራሕተኛ ምዃንሲ ለሚድዎ እዩ This is his accustomed hour to go to bed እዚ ሰዓት እዚ ናቱ ልምድቲ ሰዓት ዝድቅሰላ ናብ መደቀሲኡ ዝኸደላ ሰዓት እያ ንብል ኣለና Number 9 on my own means you have done something alone rather than with others ምስ ካልኦት ዘይኮነ ንሓደ ነገር በይንኻ ክትፍጽሞ ከለኻ ማለት እዩ on my own Example do you like spending time on your own በይንኻ ግዜ ክትወስድ ትደሊ ዲኻ He lives on his own ንሱ በይኑ ይነብር his own We can't believe her all on her own ንሕና ንዓ ክንኣምና ኣይንኽእልን ኢና ብናታ ዘበለ ማለት እዩ ንሕና ንዓ ንበይና ክንኣምና ኣይንኽእልን ኢና ትብል ኣለኻ ማለት እዩ We can't leave her all on her own ንዓ በይና ክንሓድጋሲ ኣይንኽእልን ኢና ትብል ኣለኻ ማለት እዩ Number 10 the last vocabulary is eventually in the end መወዳእታ especially after a long time ብፍላይ ድማ ድሕሪ ነዊሕ ግዜ or a lot of effort problems ወይ ድሕሪ ብዙሕ ጻዕሪ eventually after midnight I arrived at hotel ድሕሪ ብዙሕ ጻዕሪ ድሕሪ ፍርቂ ለይቲ ናብቲ ሆቴል በፂሐ Eventually she became angry at the situation ድሕሪ ብዙሕ ንሳ ብዛዕባ እቲ ኩነታት ክትቁጣዕ ጀሚራ Eventually I did get better and returned to work ድሕሪ ብዙሕ ጻዕሪ ተመሓይሸ ናብ ስርሐይ ተመሊሰ ትብል ኣለኻ ማለት እዩ Thank you so much for watching my video up to the end. If you like the channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you need more English practice, Tigrinya grammar and other beneficiary lessons, please follow our channel. Moreover, please forward our channel to others also.